drive?
I know how to. I have a lot of experience with that.
Yeah, we could.
Can I be the driver?
Yeah, you can be the driver.
What?
You can be the driver.
Why are you looking in my eyes?
Because I'm a great cameraman.
Yes, he's an awesome cameraman.
Mm-hmm.
He has my channel, but make sure to subscribe to his channel.
I have a channel. Go subscribe to me. I'm editing the video, so I can
He's
put it.
He's gonna be editing this video, and
I'll put it right here. What?
Oh, what? Oh,
no, I'm recording right now.
You're gonna be recording while I'm driving.
Okay, no keys, so we might have to ask the adult for not this key, but the other key.
For that one? Like, can we ride that one?
Yeah, let's go see. Let's go see.
There's a key in there.
Yeah, there might be a key. Whoa! Wait, where's the six-wheeler?
The six.
Hey, Dad. Dad, can we use the six-wheeler? Because he wanted to take a little drive on it.
No, I've got that water tank back with us in the garage.
Oh. Oh, it's in the garage. Okay. Alright.
Okay, we could just be riding on your motorcycle for a while.
Okay, done.
And if I am driving, if you teach me how to drive a dirt bike, you're gonna have to teach me.
Oh, yes, I will teach you.
When, though? When will you teach me?
I don't know. Maybe today.
Oh, I think I saw Fluffy. Wait, no, Fluffy's just all day. That was like a gray and black.
I put my bike over here somewhere. What did we need to do?
The title was gonna be riding my first motorcycle.
Oh yeah, that's right. And we didn't get it much on film because.
Yeah.
No judging my bike. Okay, no judging. It's old. I'm getting a new one, right, Nash?
Yeah, it's like
I'm getting a new one.
Something.
It's 19. It says right here, 1992.
Oh, 92.
Yeah.
And this is an old one.
Yeah. My brother's is a 2005, so that's why it's newer.
I know.
Yeah. I'll sit there on the camera and then we'll drive it. Well, I'm gonna try setting this up. It's always weird to meet the cameraman, but not when he has his own channel. So, like, what to do? Okay, I think that's good. We're good.
Bye.
We're good. Hello.
Oh,
in frame. We're in frame. We can just speed up a little bit.
Did you start it?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and start the bike. Huh? What's the one? Come on, man.
We're having some problems with the dirt bike. It keeps on going in neutral. I don't know if you're seeing us here. I'm gonna put it like right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here so they can see us going that way. Okay? Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and watch more of our videos, please. Yeah, and he's gonna put his name down below.
I'll put it right here on the screen. Click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And I don't know if you can hear him, but go subscribe to him and hit his bell icon and leave a like.
Yes, please.
Because we'll be doing more Try Not to Laughs, and this is the video. Yeah. Go ahead and record me, and I'm just gonna park it.
Okay. I think it stopped.
No, it's still recording.
Okay, go.
Yeah, there you go.
He's gonna go park it.
This is how you really ride a dirt bike.
Okay, Gio, park it. Gio, park it. Well, see you guys in the next video. Peace. We gotta do the thing. Come on, Gio, do it.
Actually, no, hold on. You're not ending your vlog off like that.
How am I gonna end it?
You're gonna end it with me recording you.
Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I think we're gonna do more of these videos where I ride on the back of his dirt bike.
Yeah, because this was your first time.
Yes. I was kind of scared the first time, but please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and to his channel.
Yeah.
See you in the next video.
Peace. How was your first time riding a dirt bike? Pretty scary. You haven't ridden one? Have you?
I haven't. That's my first time riding a dirt bike.
Dang, wow. But you did good for second gear, I'm gonna say.
Well, his dirt bike's fast, so I kind of got scared a little.
Yeah, second gear's like a fourth gear for my bike.
I went in fourth gear.
With him?
Yeah.
That's like sixth gear.
That's like sixth gear for you.
Yeah, that's sixth gear for me.
So I'm gonna park my bike right there.
2 strokes and then my old 4-stroke.
Which sucks.
But this is your vlog. But so.
Oh, Neil, can you reach in this power and get me the stand?
Hi. That was pretty scary. Like, will you edit this too?
Yeah, I'll edit it. I'm your cameraman.
And can you also send me a profile picture? Like, give me one.
Yes.
Oh, I have to send you. I'm gonna send you my guitar one as my profile picture.
Yep. Nash, why do you keep laughing? Why are you laughing, Nash? Stop, this isn't like funny. We're all of a sudden watching TV, you're eating cereal, and then you're laughing. What's going on?
I don't know why I'm laughing. I swear.
You're making weird noises like... You're drunk. We're watching TV fine, and you're just laughing, and it's really concerning. I think you're being exorcist right now. I think an exorcism is happening.
I don't know why I'm laughing, honestly.
Watch this. Boo. What if I tried actually scaring you? Would you laugh?
Okay, I need to stop.
Yes. You needed to stop like 2 years ago. Let me show you what freaking time it is on his phone. Let me show you what time it is on his phone. Ugh. Let it focus. It's 11:01 p.m.
And I feel like I'm drunk.
'Cause you are.
How?
You're drunk, Nash.
I'm trying not to laugh.
It's 11:02. Boo.
I need to.
Nash, just calm down.
I'm calm.
Go ahead and watch Jesse and just calm down. You calm?
I think I'm done laughing.
Boo.
Okay, I'm done.
Bitch.
That's someone you said bitch like.
Bitch.